The first step in editing an entire duct line is to make sure that all of the duct is connected from the beginning of the line to the end of the line that you want to change. To do that here, we're going to highlight our duct line and we're going to use a duct line check automatic. And there are separate tutorials on duct line check. But we're going to click on this button and PractiCAD is going to show us here that the ends of the duct are where they're supposed to. There are no other breaks in the duct line, so we know based on these red marks that this entire duct system is connected. We're going to hit escape, let go of all of the fittings, and now we're going to click on duct line check again, and that'll remove the marks. The first change we're going to make is an elevation change. To change the elevation of a duct line or to move it up a specific amount as a duct line as a whole, other than using the AutoCAD move commands, we can just simply click on the first fitting we'd like to change and then change the elevation of that fitting. If we move that fitting up 2 feet and all of the other ducts are attached, the entire system will move up 2 foot. We do not need to highlight all of the ducts, just the first one on the change. So what we're going to do here is you can see this duct is at 10 foot up the line, and then a little further down the line you can see this is at 10 foot as well. What we're going to do is click on the first piece of duct on the line. We're going to come over to the elevation box. We're going to type in 12 foot bottom and hit enter. Once we do that, you can see that the entire duct line, both up and down the line, have adjusted. The whole duct line has followed this particular fitting. Now, if we wanted just 1 or 2 fittings to edit or move an elevation and not carry the rest of the duct line, we must break the duct line. For example, if we want to just move up fitting 1 and fitting 2 and not the third fitting, we would actually delete the third fitting. Then we click at the beginning of the duct line we want to change, and then we would make the change, let's say back down to 10 foot. Then we'd of course use an auto route or a single to attach the duct line, but the idea is we've only moved the specific section of duct we want. If it's connected, it's going to edit all the way forward or backwards in the duct line.